Echo Dot 3rd Gen 2019 release smart speaker with clock and Alexa. The most popular smart speaker now available with an LED display that can show the time, outdoor temperature, or timers. Perfect for your nightstand. Ask Alexa to set an alarm. Tap the top to snooze. The light sensor automatically adjusts the display's brightness, day or night. Voice control your music. Stream songs from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, SiriusXM, and others. You can also listen to audiobooks from Audible. Enjoy stereo sound. Pair with a second Echo Dot for rich, stereo sound. Fill your home with music with compatible Echo devices in different rooms. Ready to help. Ask Alexa to play music, answer questions, read the news, check the weather, set alarms, control compatible smart home devices, and more. Voice control your smart home, turn on lights, adjust thermostats, lock doors, and more with compatible connected devices. Alexa has skills. With tens of thousands of skills and counting, Alexa is always getting smarter and adding new skills like tracking fitness, playing games, and more. Designed to protect your privacy, built with multiple layers of privacy controls, including a microphone off button that electronically disconnects the mics. Simple to set up and use. Echo Dot comes ready to connect to your Wi-Fi. The Alexa app is compatible with Fire OS, Android, and iOS devices and also accessible via your web browser. Buy from Amazon the Echo Dot 3rd Gen with clock 2019 release. For the most discounted price by using the link in the description below. See what Alexa can do.
Pause the timer, 8 minutes, starting now. This weekend in Seattle, Washington, will be sunny with a high of 81 degrees and a low of 61 degrees. What did 0 say to 8? Nice belt. I'll schedule trivia night on Tuesday at 8 p.m., okay? 0.25 cups is 4 tablespoons. You have 6 items on your to-do list: walk the dog, mow the lawn. Alarm set for 7:30 a.m. tomorrow. You want me to remember my passport is in the upstairs closet, right? Okay. XKYZ Radio, from your TuneIn. Resuming your book from Kindle, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Here's your flash briefing. In the latest headlines from XYZ Local News. At the moment, traffic on your commute looks good. The fastest route takes about 22 minutes via WA99 and West Seattle Bridge. Thank you in Italian is grazie. Okay. Announcing, dinner's ready. What's the message? Welcome to 20 Questions. I'm going to impress you with my superpowers and read your mind. For your first game, think about any animal. I only listen after you say the wake word. To learn more about how Amazon and Alexa protect your privacy, visit amazon.com/Alexa privacy.
Buy from Amazon the Echo Dot 3rd Gen with clock 2019 release. For the most discounted price by using the link in the description below.